Let's talk about profile settings in the page builder. Go ahead and edit an already created mycliq page. Now I'm going to collapse all of these other settings here so we can focus on the profile settings. I'll expand the profile settings and you'll notice that automatically your username will populate on your mycliq page. Your page title will be shown here. You can simply change it by typing in your name or your brand, but it doesn't have to be your name or your brand. It literally could be anything. Just know that whatever you name your page will be the title of your mycliq page. So just keep that in mind. I highly suggest just using your name. You can also change your bio. So you can just type in normal text here. If you continue writing, you'll notice that it will automatically wrap to the next line. However, if you want more control over which lines things display, you can simply hit Shift and Enter on your keyboard, and that will create a line break, and that will allow you to add more information. You can have up to 3 line breaks, so I can separate everything by lines. So maybe I'll do the launch date of mycliq underneath. And then lastly, you have your tags. So you can see that I already have a few tags. All tags are just a way for you to categorize what you do or what your hobbies are, your skills, or your interests. So maybe I'll add another one. I can put basketball, I can put reading, and maybe I'll put one more, and that can be Formula One. Okay, and it's really simple to remove tags. All you have to do is just click exit here on the X button. You'll remove your tags. You'll be able to actually change the styling of how your tags appear in some of these settings down below. But for now, I just want to show you that your profile settings are extremely modular, meaning that you can choose to hide anything that you want. You really don't have to show your bio, you don't have to show your page title, and you don't even have to show your profile picture. If you want an extremely minimal page, you can just have your links. Now, I would highly recommend against that, but just know that the option is there and available depending on how much information you want to give to your users. Maybe you want to hide your bio, keep your tags, or maybe you want to just have your name and your username. These are all options that are available in mycliq. We built this out to be directly for creators or brands, and you get to choose exactly how you display your information. Now, that is it for the profile settings. We'll now move on to the link management.